Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can get legendary and mythic drops from when you're at a low level. So as you see, I'm level 32, which is not really low, but this is the best tactic for anyone that's level 15 or level 20 to 15. I mean 15 to 20. So if you are within this level, this is gonna be one of the easiest way for you to get chest drops and mythic items. Now mythic items are rare, so they are gonna come from chests, and you will have to beat certain bosses in order to get these chests. So as you can see right now, okay, it is recording. So as you can see right now, I'm gonna be over here and just trying to climb up, and we are near this boss. Now Caden, in my opinion, is the easiest because he is just gonna spam that attack, which you could just don't do exactly what I did, because you're gonna get challenged, and I like to do that. Well, I'll meet you guys after I'm done with the boss fight. And as you can see, I got this chest. Is it recording? Yes, it is. So as you can see, I defeated him, and I just got the straw hat, which is a mythic item. So now if I just do that and just press on it and equip it, that's about it. I have now equipped the straw hat, which is a mythic item. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.